Hi guys, this video is about changing shock absorber. It's really easy to do, everyone can. First of all, you need to take off the wheel, then remove the cover from the lever, this cover, and unscrew this bolt. And then unscrew this one. Let's go. Now you need to put something under the lever, unload the car, squeeze the spring, and turbo with the old shock absorber. After unscrew this one, and remove it from there. As you can see, the shock absorber shows oil stocks, for which we change it. Now I put a new and fix a bolt. That's all work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and put like. Hi guys, how to check shock absorbers. We choose which side we will check and press with effort. If the shock absorber leaks, it will already need to be replaced. If the car body came back immediately hot, then the shock absorber is completely intact. If the car body fluctuated several times, this indicates that the shock absorber's resource has decreased by 30–50%. In the same way, we check the shock absorbers in a circle. Again friends, if the car body came back immediately hot, then the shock absorber is completely intact. If the car body fluctuated several times, this indicates that the shock absorber resource has decreased by 30–50%. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.